Welcome to Tammy's Ripping Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a tasty lentil loaf. I hope you enjoy. So here you're going to want to get your ingredients all ready to go. It's your cooked lentils in the food processor along with the oats and then all the other ingredients. And then you will saute your carrots, celery, and onions, and then that will all be added also to the food processor. You can also wait to add the oats to the very end. This is up to you. So this is an optional process. You can add all the ingredients into the food processor and just combine them all and then put them in your pans. It's up to you. So you will want to pulse this in your food processor until it's a nice consistency, but not too soft, so don't do it too much. And now it's ready to go in your pans that you've already sprayed with some cooking spray. You will want to preheat your oven here to 375 degrees. And now they're all ready for the tomato glaze. And then into the oven they'll go. And you will bake them for about 30 to 40 minutes, depending on the texture that you want to. These small loaves are perfect for wraps. You can just cut them up and put them in wraps, or just for a quick lunch. They're amazing. Very filling. And serving this lentil loaf with a nice side salad is wonderful. And I also have a mushroom gravy recipe for you. There's a video up. I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe.